This is an update video on whether applying tape to close ventilation holes on the arm of the drone worked. The test showed that it did work. There was no overheating. The drone actually surprised me because it was even able to take off from the sand with one of the propellers blocked, as you can see now. And you will see it again. You see one of the propellers in the sand and it still takes off. The only thing I had to do is to remove the tape from the bottom of the drone because I started losing Wi-Fi connection. It wasn't stable, and then I noticed that the bottom of the drone was overheating, so I removed the tape from the bottom. I noticed that some electrical components are located very close to the bottom, so you see there's no tape now, and this grill that is protecting the battery compartment and the electrical components and provides ventilation actually works well to protect the drone from debris and sand.